Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off outgoing messages sounds on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off outgoing messages sound on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this interface, tap on settings just above my notes over here, guys. And over here again, you can see the notifications option available for us just below the privacy. Tap on notifications, and over here, guys, at the bottom of the screen, you can see there it's the option where it says outgoing messages sounds. Now in order to turn off the outgoing messages sounds, make sure that the tick mark at the right side of this option where it says outgoing messages sound is unticked and empty like this. By that, guys, your outgoing message sounds in Viber will be turned off. And with that being done, guys, this is how you'll be able to turn off outgoing messages sounds in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.